Hi, this is Glam Gram Donna, back with another unboxing of the Better Beauty box by Cruelty Free Kitty. I love this box. Every time they send me the box, I'm never disappointed. It is a monthly subscription, and you can pay quarterly or 6 months or whatever you want. So this is what it looks like inside, and it comes with a card that gives you all the details about what's in the box. So first of all, we have Earth Harbor Anchor and Earth Harbor Helios. So the Helios is a cell defense concentrate, $39. And it says a radiant treatment that helps protect against pollutants and environmental stress, supports the skin barrier, and restores youthful resilience. That's a great word. Resilience. Powered by 22 botanical actives, Helios shields your skin from daily damage while delivering a visible glow. Apply 3 to 5 drops on clean skin morning and or evening before moisturizing. So again, all of the products in here are full size. So here it is. I never show it to the right. Okay. There we go. I gotta always look on my phone because I can't ever see it. So this is, trying to see what, for all skin types, dermatologist tested and sensitivity tested. So this sounds like something that helps with older skin, since it says some stem cell defense concentrate. Pretty excited about that one. And then on the Anchor, it's a bioretinol youth serum. The stem cell concentrate was $39, and the Anchor Bioretinol Youth Serum, Anchor, there we go, is $27. And it says, smooth fine lines and renew youthful radiance with plant-based retinol alternatives, giving you a powerful result without sensitivity or irritation. Because taking or using retinol can make your skin dry and flaky, or sometimes irritated and hurt. Anchor delivers the anti-aging benefits of retinol through gentle botanicals your skin will actually love. So again, another product that I would consider using, and I do. I try all the products that I get in my boxes. Next, we have a ginormous box. It's like Kumo Bombshell Blowout Thermal Mist. I mean, this is huge. For those of us that blow dry our hair, it's thermal mist. Trying to see. Use it on damp hair, which is good because you're not blow drying it yet. And it says this super fine mist. Oh, thank God it's super fine. Transforms dull, lifeless hair into silky smooth perfection. It reduces breakage, accelerates drying time, and delivers a touchable hold with serious shine. And that has this is $69 retail. So like I said, I love getting monthly subscription boxes because you get to try all these great products at a fraction of the cost. I believe this box is $39.99. And then finally, we have Rough Luxe Matte Styling Paste, which I'm very anxious to try. See if we can get you in there. Yeah. A pliable paste that tames every wild hair. Smooth, spike, or scrunch as you please, it gives you incredible definition, weightless texture, and a soft matte finish without stiffness or residue. I do use a lot of different hair paste because I have short hair, for one. And it's just easier, for me, it's easier to style with a paste. So here's what it looks like. And again, it's a full size. And this retails for $39. And if you've never used a hair paste, it's fun. This is nice. It has the feel of a cleansing balm, but I'm curious to try it because I use a different brand right now, and I wonder if this is even more than the brand that I use. So I'm hoping that this is something I will be able to use. So that's the Better Beauty box from Cruelty Free Kitty. I never realized it was Cruelty Free Kitty. That was the name of the box. But the box is called the Bombshell Box. And there you go. So once again, thank you for tuning into my channel. I do quite a few unboxings. And I'm working on a personal video that should be coming out pretty soon. That one I guarantee you'll like. So thank you. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.